Hello there, and thanks for joining. This is my second favorite hair care product, and it's the Fantasia Argan Oil Smoothing Serum. Now, I have had this product for a year now, and I absolutely love it. Before, I would just use coconut oil, like after I would wash and towel dry my hair, I would use a bit of coconut oil. But I was browsing in the store, happened to come across this, and wanted to give it a try. And it says it is for straight, soft hair, and it's good for anti-frizz, moisture control formula, heat protector, ultimate shine treatment. The product is alcohol free, which I do like, and it is 6.2 ounces in each bottle. And like I said, I have had it for a year, if not more, and I still have some ways to go. So you really get your money's worth when it comes to this argan oil here. Now, according to the directions, let's see if I can get it up here. Now, the directions say you want to apply enough serum to achieve even coverage on towel-dried hair. So, you don't want to pour a whole lot if you don't have a whole lot of hair. You want to be mindful of that. And be mindful that, a little goes a long way. So, be cautious. Comb through, style, reapply a couple of drops to finish style for added protection and shine. And I followed the directions to the T, and each time my hair comes out really great. And this product smells really good too. So I, of course, like that as well, that I can go around and my hair is smelling very, very nice and fresh. So my hair comes to about my shoulders, and it is very thick. And I just usually use about that much. Like, this really spreads. So you really don't need a whole lot to go over your hair. After you wash and condition, after you wash and condition and you towel dry, you want to apply. And then you go ahead and blow dry your hair. Again, this is a heat protector, so it helps to protect your hair when you are doing the blow drying. And then once you flat iron, you can flat iron or curl, whichever you're going to do. Then you can go ahead and apply the serum again, just to give it that extra shine and that extra oomph to it. And it's on my hands, it smells so good. The Fantasia company was actually started in 1963 by brothers that happen to be hairdressers as well in New York. And the headquarters for the company right now is in New Jersey. And it doesn't look like it's an extremely large corporation, just according to anything that I've seen online about them, but they produce really great hair care products. Of course, they are large enough. They are pretty much sold every ethnic hair care store in America. Overseas, I did not find too much information about any type of sales overseas, so that I cannot speak on. Now, as for ingredients, I am not going to even try to say some of these words, but you can definitely see for yourself. We've got some Spinosa kernel oil, hey, I can say that. Phenyltrimethicone, arsenal, fragrance. Wow. I do like that this is not tested on animals, so that is very good. And as you can see, Fantasia Industries Corporation in New Jersey, made in the USA. That's great. And for more information on the company, you can go to fantasiahaircare.com. This has definitely made my life a lot easier when it comes to hair care, because I can do my hair at home and it comes out really nice, and I know that I can do it and it's still going to be nice and flat and shiny and silky. Not as good as a hairdresser's, but pretty darn close, which means you can save money in between going to the hairdresser so much. You can, sometimes do your hair at home, which, again, is a great money saver. While the bottle is small, and yes, it can like fit in a big purse or your gym bag or something like that, of course it's not going to be very easy to travel with since it is 6.2 ounces, but you can always, just get those travel cases pretty much at any store and just, pour some in there just like I do, so you can have it when you want to get on a plane. So I definitely know that when this finally does run out, that I'm going to go and get some more and be using it for yet another year when it finally does run out. But this is something that I'm very impressed with. I like it. I love how it smells, and how it is very, like, it moisturizes your hair. It gives it that shine, but it's not heavy, as long as you don't overdo it. That's why you definitely only want to use pretty much like that amount that you saw me use in the video. Unless you have longer hair, then of course you want to get a bit more, but just be mindful of that and you will definitely like this product.